Check the math kasi tama yung 497 at 401 billion. Pero dito sa isa kong guide, 19 and 15%, so 34, hindi 47. But Sarah, can you double check and then put it up na lang? It's definitely a portless budget for legislators. Under the definition na port is a lump sum, and then legislators can choose where the money will go, portless siya. But in terms of having lump sums and the executive can still dictate kung saan ang ilalagay, meron. But in other countries, they don't call lump sums for the president port. So may konting semantics dito, no? So if in your mind, port is any lump sum and anyone has discretion, may port yung ibang secretaries at ang executive. But if you're saying legislators lang, wala nang say ang legislators ngayon sa after the budget is enacted, no? But there are lump sums. So some lump sums naman are justified, katulad ng calamity fund. Hindi mo naman masasabi talaga kung saan pwedeng ilagay, di ba? Pero yung ibang lump sum, halimbawa sa infra or sa agri, ay pwede mo naman idikta this early kung saan mo ilalagay kung i-specify lahat, no? There are some lump sums, for example, sa chess, sa scholarship, in the sense that hindi nila name ang scholar. But in the sense na hindi katulad dati na ang legislator ay magbibigay lang ng pangalan, siguradong scholar na yan. So as long as yung guidelines ng CHED, ilabas nila na it's a merit scholarship, it's not port. Pero kung ilalabas nilang guidelines is that legislators give us the name and they are, then magiging port yun.
Pero sir, wala namang direct provision na nag-prohibit for the legislators to refer mga beneficiaries like scholars?
You can always refer kasi libre naman ang papel at saka sumulat. I mean, but it's the guidelines that will matter. If in the guidelines it says, kailangan 85 ang grade, kailangan ito yung income level, etc. So kahit anong sulat ng legislator, di ba? Pero kung nakalagay doon na merong discretion or ang legislators can write and give this, sa pagkaalam ko walang ganon. At sa pagkaalam ko, naging away pa nga sa CHED yun dahil CHED wants to be strict with its scholarship program. That's what I like about yung Scholar ng Bayan kasi walang lobbying dyan. Basta top 10 ka, kanino ka man politically, kanino ka man anak, mayaman ka mahirap, sa public school ka, automatic scholar ka.
Sir, yung